Hi there, and welcome to the Product Marketing Plan Playbook. Use this step-by-step playbook and set of premium tools and templates to create a comprehensive product marketing plan. Each playbook begins with a table of contents and a framework for quick reference to the tools and templates highlighted throughout this step-by-step guide. Our playbooks are filled with links to our practical modern marketing tools, templates, and training, which are organized stage by stage, step by step, starting with stage number 1. Establishing objectives. And here your one and only step is to set your product objectives. For stage number 2, we move on to product detail. And here we start by developing a position and definition for the product, and then defining product applications, identifying the differentiators, defining your pricing, and ultimately drafting your unique selling proposition. In stage number 3, we move on to understanding your market. And here, the first step is to identify market segments, followed by profiling the buyer. Next, we move into analyzing the purchase process, ensuring access to customers, and ultimately validating your market position. In stage number 4, we move into sizing up the competition. And here, the first of 2 steps is to complete a competitive analysis, followed by anticipating the competitive response. In stage 5, you're going to build your plan. And here, step 1 is to select your channels, followed by drafting and prioritizing key messages. Next, your promotion strategy is going to lead you to advertising, public relations, web and online, social media, mobile marketing, events, and other types of promotion strategies. We follow this up by focusing on your sales and marketing alignment, preparing a sales guide, building your budget, and ultimately creating a schedule. In the last and final stage, stage number 6, here we're going to launch your product. And here the first step is to form a launch team, and then ultimately have a launch event. Remember that you can access all of these resources in a single page at the start of this guide and on its own with the Product Marketing Plan Framework. Succeed with product marketing today by downloading and leveraging this playbook.